Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi that keeps disconnecting on your Google Pixel 11 Pro XL. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and unlock the phone. So this is what we're trying to do first. After that, we're gonna go and tap onto the settings. In the settings, we want to go to network and internet. From here, we want to tap on the internet, and after clicking on it, we want to click on the Wi-Fi. We're going to turn it off, turn it on, and as you guys can see, now we're just going to let it connect to the network. We're going to click on the gear icon, and from here, we want to tap on forget the network. So I'm just going to forget the other one too, so that it doesn't connect, and we're going to tap quickly enter the password. And once you're in your network, if it works, then I would just recommend keeping it like this. Here, as you guys can see, you can reset your internet. So we're just gonna tap on it, and now it is resetting it. So this is a really cool thing that you can do. It can also help, and make sure that your router supports some higher bands. So make sure that you're on either 5 gigahertz, try 2.4 to be sure. And also, if you're on Wi-Fi 6, Wi-Fi 7, then it may have some issues with it. That's why I'm on Wi-Fi 5. And also, my router just don't support it. Now, what you guys want to do is go over and as a last resort, check for software updates. So you can do that by using the mobile data. Of course, you can go to System, Software Updates, and tap on System Update. Here, make sure that you're on the latest version so that no Wi-Fi glitches keep coming up on your phone. And that's it for the video. So thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.